Syracuse University is opening what may be the world's greenest data center. Consuming just half the normal energy, the building's design combines a host of innovative technologies such as trigeneration and water cooling. But what makes this data center even more unique is that it will double as a research lab.
The data center that we built is probably one of the most instrumented data centers in the world. We have instruments on, practically speaking, everything that is equipped in the data center.
We're going to be measuring air velocity, we're going to be measuring power, we're going to be measuring flow rates, we're going to be measuring voltages, currents. Okay? We don't intend to use it just as a production data center. We intend to use it as a living test bed in which we can try the various technologies and optimize these technologies in real time.
Data centers use about 30 times more power than an average office building. The growing use of information technology is driving a doubling of that power consumption every 5 years.
Data centers are a big consumer of power, and they consume electric power, and electric power is the major source of greenhouse gases in the world.
We need to understand how to make data centers smart. And if you can imagine coordinating essentially 12 jet engines, dozens of pumps and other sorts of devices to move water around, blowers to push air that has been chilled through the data center, coordinating all of that is a significant challenge.
IBM provided more than $5 million in software design services and the latest in computer servers. One of the design's most efficient features is trigeneration. That's electricity, heating, and cooling, all from a single burn of natural gas.
We're using an on-site combined cooling and power system. Okay? It's based on microturbines driving high-speed electric generators, and the waste heat from that turbine is used for generating the necessary cooling for the data center and for an adjacent building.
The availability of free chilled water fits right into another trend in data center design: water cooling.
It turns out that using chilled water as opposed to just cooling air with traditional air conditioners is a more efficient approach to keeping the data center cool.
IBM and Syracuse University will use the knowledge gained from the new operation to help clients looking for similar efficiency gains. University students, professors, and researchers also benefit.
They'll have an opportunity to learn about sustainability from a big picture perspective, but also the nuts and bolts of how do you build sustainable facilities, sustainable data centers, sustainable buildings. This entire process in terms of modeling and understanding energy use is one that applies not only to data centers, but to buildings in general.